Man, I just got out of the meeting today and I knew I had to jump on here and talk about it. It really hit me hard and what this client shared. This guy, he started his restaurant business about 2 years ago. And when I say from scratch, I mean really from scratch. Right away, I could tell sales and net profits were nowhere near where they needed to be. His previous accountant, bless their heart, basically just filed his tax return. No business coaching, no strategic consulting, nothing beyond that. And then, as he's telling me everything, I'm just sitting there, my jaw's probably on the floor. He's talking about how in just 2 years, he created 3 different checking accounts, one money market account. Then he drops the bomb that he pulled about $170,000 from his retirement savings to fund the business. On top of that, he maxed out 7 credit cards, took 2 separate business loans, got a HELOC, and even secured a small business administration loan. It was just a complete, utter financial tangle. My heart just sank, because I'm visualizing my team and myself is spending the next 3 months just unraveling this entire accounting nightmare. And it's going to cost him about $10,000 in accounting fees just to get him back to square one, just to clean up the mess. And the whole time he's telling me this thought is just screaming in my head. This could have been avoided. All of it. Every single bit of this financial headache could have been avoided if he had just started simple, maybe just one checking account. And more importantly, if he had found some solid coaching or consulting right at the very beginning. That's when it hit me again. Some things so fundamental that we often forget. We all don't know everything, and we absolutely shouldn't try to do everything ourselves. It's so easy to get caught up in our own ideas, to think we got it all figured out, to let our ego tell us we can handle it all. But we've got to lower our ego a bit and realize that others have walked that path you're taking before you. They've made mistakes, they've found the shortcuts, and that's why seeking help, finding a coach or a mentor is invaluable. They can make your path so much smoother, and you will get there way faster than if you try to figure it all out on your own. Some of the best ideas I've ever received on how to run a more profitable accounting firm myself actually came from a non-accountant coach. Someone just had a fresh perspective and different experience. It just speeds things up and makes the path smoother. That is exactly why we created the Go Make a Dollar online community. It's the place where you don't have to go all alone. It's for small business owners just like you who want to learn, who want to share, and who want to avoid these kinds of costly pitfalls. It's where you can connect with each other as entrepreneurs, ask those tough questions, and get guidance to make your path smoother, faster, and much less painful. So, if you're feeling that aha moment right now, if you're thinking, man, I need that kind of guidance, then come join us. We're building something special, a place where you can get the kind of coaching and support that it could save you thousands, just like it could have for my client. Just click the link in the description below. Become part of our Go Make the Dollar community. Let's make sure your journey is as smooth and as profitable as possible. I can't wait to see you there.